Today I am here with Amy from Traton Homes, and we're here to talk about a brand new community that is coming later this summer called High Parc at Smyrna. So tell me all about it.
Yeah, so we're very excited about this new community, really because it's where it's located in Smyrna. We're going to be close to everything: High Parc, the Battery, the Smyrna Market Village. So these are going to be 2- and 3-story townhomes. Our 2-story townhomes will feature your living space and your 2-car garage on the main level. The 3-story townhomes are going to have a bedroom on the main level, a 2-car garage, wonderful open living space in the middle level, and then upstairs 2 more bedrooms. All of our homes will offer bright open designs, stylish modern kitchens, and some flex spaces perfect for working from home.
So Amy, give us a feel for what this neighborhood's going to be like.
So we are in Smyrna, like I said, but we're right off of Windy Hill Road. So we're gonna be at 1799 Roswell Street. So we're gonna have 80 townhomes total, 4 different floor plans to offer, and our great amenities will feature a pool and a cabana.
And this neighborhood is in Cobb County, and Traton Homes happens to be very well known in Cobb County. So for people out there that maybe don't know the story behind Traton, and you guys talk a little bit about Traton as a company.
So we are a homegrown Atlanta builder. We have been here for 50 years now, and we just won Cobb's Best Builder by Cobb Life magazine readers.
Okay, so pretty cool.
Yes.
All right, so I'm sure there's some people out there that want to go ahead and get on this list so they can get up-to-date information for when everything's going to be released. So what is the best way to do that?
So the best way to do that is to go to tratonhomes.com, go to our communities tab, and then go down to High Parc at Smyrna and get on our VIP list. And that's where you'll get monthly information as it comes out.
Well, Amy, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you are looking for a townhome near High Parc in Smyrna from an award-winning builder, then you definitely want to check out High Parc at Smyrna.